Magandang buhay mga bata! Tara, samahan ninyo akong matuto kasama si
Teacher Aika, your online teacher. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and hit the notification bell for more videos. Thank you! Let's talk about elements of the story. Short story. A short story is a made-up story that is not as long as a whole book like a novel. Short stories are usually between 5 and 60 pages or more depending on the formatting. So you can read them in one sitting. They often focus on just one thing that happens, and they usually have only one or two characters. It consists of different elements generally as characters, plot, conflict, setting, and theme. Character. Character refers to the people, animals, or creatures in a story. They are the individuals who drive the action of the story and with whom readers identify. Characters have different personalities, traits, and roles within the narrative. They can be protagonists or the main characters, antagonists or opposing characters, or supporting characters who help move the story along. Depending on how you see it, a character can be classified as either round or flat, dynamic or static, a protagonist or an antagonist. For a short story, well-rounded and dynamic characters will be your strength. The easiest way to write interesting characters is to make sure that they have a flaw. Always keep in mind that in any story, perfect characters fall flat. Setting. Setting encompasses the time and place in which a story unfolds. It includes details about the environment, geography, historical period, and cultural context that provide the backdrop for the events of the narrative. The setting helps to establish the mood or atmosphere of the story and can influence the actions and experiences of the characters. Plot. The plot refers to the sequence of events that make up the storyline of a narrative. It includes the exposition or the introduction of characters and setting, rising action or the events leading to the main conflict, climax or the highest point of tension or turning point, falling action, events following the climax, and resolution, outcome or conclusion. The plot drives the story forward and keeps the reader engaged as they follow the character's journey. For Batchav of 2023, writers used the plot to map out their story before beginning their writing process. For fiction writing, this serves as a creative outline. So, an understanding of the plot is crucial to craft a compelling narrative and make it impactful. The sequence of events in a plot is tied to the central conflict in a story. The plot develops as the protagonist struggles with their given problem, finds a solution, and eventually accepts the results. Batchav of 2023 identified 6 succinct stages of a plot. Number 1, exposition. An introduction of characters, setting, and conflict, providing all the necessary background information. Number 2, inciting incident. the incident that leads the main character to conflict and begins the plot. Number 3, rising action. The conflict develops and takes on newer, more complicated incidents, leading to the climax. Number 4, climax. The conflict reaches a peak, which then leads to a change in the course of events, giving the reader a new understanding of the story, either through an event or an insight. Number 5, falling action. The conflict gets resolved and the action slows down. Number 6, resolution. The conflict ends, leaving the reader fulfilled. Conflict. Conflict is the central struggle or problem that propels the plot forwards and creates tension in the story. It can be internal or characters' inner struggle, or external or a conflict between characters or with an outside force. Common types of conflict include person versus self, person versus society, and person versus nature. Resolving the conflict is often essential to the development of characters and the resolution of the story. Theme. Theme is the underlying message, lesson, or moral that the author conveys through the story. It reflects the deeper meaning or purpose behind the events and characters' experiences. Themes can explore universal concepts such as love, friendship, courage, justice, or betrayal. They provide insights into human nature and the world around us, prompting readers to reflect on their own lives and values. Themes may be explicit or implicit and can vary based on interpretation.
Maraming salamat sa panonood. Huwag kalimutang i-like at mag-subscribe para sa higit pang educational content. I-click ang bell icon para ma-update ka sa ating mga bagong video. Salamat!